Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm pleased to share with you a construction update of the 2100 square metre purpose-built centre, part of the OneVision project here in Manchester. Alhamdulillah, as a result of the community's generosity, we have raised £600,000 of the £1.8 million target. As a result, we began construction. Today I'll be showing you around the construction site to see what progress we have made. Alhamdulillah, due to your generous donations, we have managed to complete the structure of the ground floor. Right now, we're stood in the classroom. This is where your children will be equipped with the knowledge, ethos and etiquette of the Ahlul Bayt to be successful in this world and the hereafter, inshallah. We are now stood on the first floor. As you can see, we've just started to install the beams to support the first floor roof. Inshallah, with your support, we can complete the first floor, which will comprise of classrooms, a library, and many more facilities, inshallah. This is the existing building. We plan to convert this in 2 floors, and it will house a hall that can be used for prayers, functions, and events. It will extend into the new building. Dear brothers and sisters, this is not a dream, but it's a reality right here in the heart of Manchester. Alhamdulillah, we have made good progress with the construction, but it's now time to complete it. Inshallah, with your generous donation, time and effort, we can complete it. The OneVision project is home for all ages, all faiths and backgrounds. Please donate generously.